You would never use a cordless tool to do a job this intense, till FLEXVOLT, a new line of DEWALT cordless tools that have the power of a corded tool. With innovations like the world's first battery pack that automatically changes voltage when you change tools, and our new powerful 60-volt brushless motor that delivers the equivalent of 13 amps, maintaining speed through applications, along with perform and protect features you expect from DEWALT, like a kickback brake which slows the wheel when a pinch is detected. And since it's a cordless tool, you're never chained to a cord or a power outlet, so you have the freedom to move from job to job to job, with enough runtime to get the work done, and a battery that adds runtime to existing DEWALT 20V Max tools, all part of the most advanced cordless system we've ever created. FLEXVOLT, power of corded, freedom of cordless. Built guaranteed tough by DEWALT.